Welcome. If you're like many people, getting constant requests to join notifications from Gmail right on your lock screen can be distracting or even a privacy concern. Luckily, there's a quick and easy way to turn these off so your lock screen stays clean and only shows what you want. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable Gmail's request to join notifications on your lock screen, straight from your phone's settings. First, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is usually represented by a gear icon and is where you control all your device's functions. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section manages all the applications installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Gmail. This will open up the settings specific to the Gmail app. From here, select Notifications. This menu lets you customize how and when Gmail keeps you informed. Inside Notifications, you'll see an option called Notification Categories. This divides Gmail's notifications into different types. Tap on Request to Join. This is exactly the notification group we want to adjust. Now, tap on Lock Screen. This controls how notifications from the Request to Join category behave specifically when your phone is locked. To stop these notifications from showing up on your lock screen entirely, select Don't Show Notifications. And just like that, you've disabled those requests to join notifications from Gmail on your lock screen. You'll still receive important alerts inside the app, but your lock screen will be free from those particular prompts that might have been interrupting or cluttering your view. Taking control of your notification settings can make a big difference in your daily phone experience. It keeps you focused, protects your privacy, and lets you decide exactly what information shows up and when. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to try this out and enjoy a cleaner, more private lock screen with Gmail notifications under your control.